Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Engineers Academy. Today, we're going to discuss SQL interview question. The question is select rows with maximum revenue. Using revenue table, we need the row with the max revenue for each ID, returning ID, rev, and content order descending by revenue. Here is the query, and this is the expected output. Now let's build it in Snowflake. First we create revenue table using create command, and you can see table revenue created successfully. Next, we insert our sample data in revenue table using insert into statement. Running this insert query, Snowflake will give the number of rows inserted in the revenue table are 5. Now here's the query that solves our problem. We start with a common table expression called ranked. Inside it, we select ID, rev, content, and a rank function. This rank is partitioned by ID, meaning it restarts for every new ID, and ordered by rev in descending order, so the highest revenue gets rank 1 within each group. We call this ranking column RNK. In our outer query, we select ID, rev, and content from this ranked result, but filter where RNK equals 1, meaning we only keep the top revenue row for each ID. Finally, we order the whole thing by rev in descending order, so our final output is sorted from highest revenue to lowest. Now I am executing this query, and you can see the output here. There are exactly 3 rows, 1 per ID, sorted highest to lowest. ID 3 leads with 700 and content E. ID 1 follows with 650 and content B, beating its 500 row. ID 2 comes last with 450 and content D, beating its 300 row. Thank you for watching this video. And for more details, contact Data Engineers Academy phone number